AI tools for small business. Start with these 5. Everyone's talking about AI. New tools drop every week, promising to change the game. But for small business owners, the real question is, where do I even start? Here's your roadmap to get started. This video provides a simple, no-code roadmap for building your first AI stack using just 5 essential tools. No tech team is required. #1. What is an AI stack and why it matters? Your AI stack =. 5 tools working together. An AI stack is a set of tools that automatically manage your marketing, admin, content, customer support, and data. Together, they save you time, reduce errors, and scale your operations. #2. Stop chasing tools. Start with problems, not platforms. Don't start with the trendiest tools. Start with your bottlenecks. What's stealing your time? What's slipping through the cracks? That's where AI fits in. #3. The 5 tools to launch your AI stack. These 5 tools are all you need. Here's your starter stack. ChatGPT, your writing assistant Notion, AI, your organizer Zapier, your connector TDO, your chatbot Surfer CO, your SEO coach. Use just these 5, and you'll feel the impact fast. #4. 5 real use cases you can launch today. Use cases that deliver results fast. Create blog content in half the time. Summarize meetings automatically. Reply to customers 24/7. Send custom emails. Generate weekly reports. These are real wins that build real momentum. #5. No code =, no problem. You don't need to code at all. With tools like Zapier or Make, connecting your stack is as simple as dragging and dropping. Think form, email, follow-up, report, all hands-free. Your smart start with AI looks like this. Focus on problems, not hype. Choose 5 beginner-friendly tools. Start with 1 use case per team. Connect tools using no code. Track what works and refine weekly. Build your stack, build your edge. You don't need more tech. You need a system.